Happy New Year! Welcome to Making Drinks to Drink, where we make drinks to drink. Happy New Year! It's finally over. Thank God. But that's okay. Everyone likes to dwell upon all the bad and the negativity of 2020, but there was a lot of good. We made a lot of drinks, which is good. But let's not dwell on the bad, and let's look to the future, or at least tonight, to celebrate bringing in 2021, the end of 2020, with 3 fantastic champagne cocktails to get you in the spirit of 2021. So the first cocktail we're making is the French 75. It's a pretty common New Year's drink. It has all of the great components of a New Year's drink. Your bubbles, more alcohol, and some citrus. Now, there's a lot of history behind the French 75. It's actually named after the 75 millimeter minigun, or 75 millimeter, I think minigun. Chain gun? I don't know. But it's named after a 75 millimeter gun that was used during World War I by the French. And why it's now a New Year's drink from that history, I don't know. Like a lot of old classic cocktails, they're just riddled with tons of history and a lot of debate. I do know that it was made in the late 20s, and that's about all I know. But I know it's a fantastic drink. So let's make the French 75. To make that, you need a half ounce of lemon juice, half ounce of simple syrup, half ounce of gin, and sparkling wine, champagne. I'm using a Moscato and Tangerine sparkling wine. I think the tangerine is gonna really mingle with that lemon juice pretty well. Let's get started. As always, you need your champagne flute. Now, I don't have any lemons. I ran out of lemons, and shopping right now is a nightmare. Everyone is at the grocery stores. It's ridiculous. And I didn't want to be mingling in the grocery store with all the Rona just to get some lemons. So I have lemon juice, and I have good lemon juice. If you're gonna use just lemon juice, don't get from concentrate. Get a good quality lemon juice. Yep. I did 3/4 ounce. Who's counting? And then we finish it up with our bubbles. Whew, I almost thought that was gonna overfill. And then you have a French 75. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, that's wonderful. I would say it's a little too sweet. There's a lot of sweet going on with the sweet champagne or the sweet sparkling wine, the simple syrup, the lemon juice. Maybe go for a drier sparkling wine. But ooh, that is good. Now the second one we're making is a French 75 again, but a lot of historians say that the French 75 originated with cognac, which kind of makes sense because you have French 75, French cognac. So let's make the same drink, but with cognac and see how that tastes. I might use a little bit less simple syrup this time, knowing how sweet that is. Maybe we'll go 1/4 ounce. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I've already partaked in a little bit of libations already. It's New Year's Eve, you have to. Cognac. And more bubbles. And then you have the French 75, take 2. Ooh, that is way better. I like that a lot. It's less sweet. There's not all the herbs coming in from the gin. There's a little bit more of a alcohol flavor, I guess you could say, from the cognac. It's really good. I might have to make these again with just a regular old sparkling wine, but this is kind of all I had. Not much of a champagne person, but it'll suffice. The French 75, fantastic. This perfect drink to rein in 2021 or 22, 23. And if you're watching this in 2023, then to rein in 2024. On to the last one. The last drink we're making is it's a Saint Germain champagne cocktail, or Saint Germain, it's called Saint Germain champagne cocktail, but I don't have any champagne, so use sparkling wine. I'm sure it'll all be the same. So to make that, you need an ounce of Saint Germain's liqueur. I'm feeling a burp coming on. All that champagne. There it was. That's better. We want an ounce of the Saint Germain liqueur and sparkling wine. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, it's more bubbly. Less. I bet that simple syrup was getting rid of a lot of the bubbles in those. Oh, I don't like that. No, that's not good. Why is that not? Do I not like this? I've never had elderflower liqueur, so it's maybe this I don't like. Yeah, I don't think I like elderflower liqueur. It's not terrible, but I don't think it's mingling well with the tangerine. I don't know. Maybe you guys would like it. A Saint Germain sparkling wine or Saint Germain champagne cocktail. I'm gonna top these off. And then I know somebody who would love to drink this. Boo-boo! I made you a drink. To drink. a Saint Germain champagne cocktail. We're gonna go over here and enjoy these drinks. And I think we'll bring you along with us. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What fantastic drinks. Do you like yours?
I do like mine.
How's the French 75?
Still don't like them.
And I don't like yours. My yin to my yang. 2020, what a year. It's been a roller coaster of a year.
I gave you a kid.
But like, you did. But like all roller coasters, there's downs, but there's also ups. There was a lot of good that came with 2020. Like she said, I had a kid. It's been a good year. I can hear him snoring. Snores like his mama.
What? Lives, all
But
of it.
what a year for 2020. I'm excited for 2021 though. I'm not much on resolutions, but I am for goals. What is your goal for 2021?
Keep them alive.
Keep ourselves alive.
Yeah. If I can keep a kid alive, I should be able to keep myself alive too.
That's fair. That's fair. I've got a goal to grow this channel and I guess keep him alive and be a good dad. But also, let's grow this channel. Yeah. I like those. Leave in the comments down below what your goals for 2021 are. And let's stop dwelling on the negativity of 2020 and let's look to the positivity of 2021. I promise you there will be plenty more cocktails to enjoy in 2021. So if you liked this video, if you liked these recipes, like, subscribe, share. As always, hit that notification bell. And we'll see you in 2021.
He's still snoring.
Yep. Out.